Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you tonight? I figured I'd film real quick because, uh, listen, I just heard the news. We're getting the $600 stimulus check, and apparently this is a down payment to the 2000 that we will be receiving once Biden gets into office. So, sorry. What are your plans? I want to hear them. You know, I'm interested. Okay. Hmm? Let's talk. I, as you know, I want gutters on the house. Okay. That's because we finally were going to do the rain catchment system with rain barrels and all. So I was talking to my brother-in-law Sonny about this last night, and he said, "Don't hire that company." He said because when he lived up in Philly, him and his brother actually owned a gutter system company, and they installed gutters on houses up in Philly. So okay, so he's going to be installing the gutters on my house. So he can go to Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever. He's going to be doing everything. So I'd rather pay him or whatever. You know what I mean? So he's going to be doing the gutters for me. And then I'm going to be ordering my rain catchment system. So I'm really excited about that. But that's our plans for this, you know. So what are your plans? Let's talk. Let's converse. You know, let's bounce some ideas off of each other, because I really think that it would be in all of our best interest to invest this stimulus money to not only stimulate our economy, but to also stimulate our prepper pantries. See where I went there? Okay. I had to. I know. Stop. But listen, yeah, let's stimulate our preps with that stimulant money, okay? So, I mean, I know it's not a lot, but first and foremost, if you are behind on any of your bills, let's try and catch up on those first, okay? If you're behind on your mortgage or on your rent, your electric bill, whatever the case may be, let's try and get caught up on that if you can. Hopefully, none of you are behind. I pray that none of you are behind. I wish I could help out every single one of you. I really do. But, you know, Sean and I, unfortunately, you know, we live comfortably, but we don't, you know what I mean. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to come on here real quick and just, you know, apparently the stimulus checks will be deposited as early as tonight. So if you have direct deposit, keep an eye on your bank. If you would be getting a paper check, it will be mailed out as early as tomorrow. The website to go to, I will find it and link it in the description box below if I can find it, to where you can go and check on the status of your stimulus check. But I don't know if that it would just be for like the state of Florida or not, you know, so I'm really not sure. So I don't want to say, hey, click here, you know what I mean? And it just brings you to like the state of Florida, you know what I mean? So I'm sure there's got to be a way for you guys to check in your states as well. But anyway, yeah, so let's, I love you. I really do. And I hate to be, you know, wise, you know, I really hate it, but sometimes, listen, I'm that person. I have to find humor in a lot of things. Otherwise, I'll be depressed, and who wants to see that? Yeah. All right. I will see you tomorrow. I love you. Stay safe, stay positive, stay warm, and keep prepping. Bye, guys.